Reverb has one flaw that no one's talking about. It works exactly as it's advertised. Every option on the market is built to place your sound in a clean, generic space and step out of the way. But ultimately, we're left bored and uninspired. Well, we made a creative reverb machine built for inspiration. This is BLACMAGIC. Let's dig in.
Engine 1, CRYPT.
The world your music lives in needs room to exist, and reverb is the perfect tool to start building that place. Most of my favorite artists really locked in on one key tool when creating their music. And here Raj using the Prophet 5, that legendary synth used by artists like Radiohead, Mike Dean, and my personal hero, John Carpenter. And the Prophet has such inherent character, so it makes sense he's pairing it with CRYPT here, our most straightforward engine.
So we have a dry organ. I put a patch together in the Prophet 5, but I just want to put it in a space. And to achieve these sounds, we kept it very simple. There's offset for pre-delay. Size will change how big that room feels. CRYPT is a room reverb that's more like a stone hall. So I'll make that size a little bigger so we feel the walls a little more. Decay is just going to control how long the echo of your reverb rings out, regardless of the size. And the effects knob for each of these 7 engines controls 2 ends of the character. And if you look in the LCD screen when I scrub, we've got 2 extremes labeled. This is coffin when it's smaller. The rooms are more claustrophobic. Push it up to catacomb. And you're still stuck in a room, but it's a little bigger now. Yeah, that's all it needed.
Engine 2, fail.
A sound without a story, nobody remembers. The records that stick with you came from somewhere, and you can hear it in their sound.
Our second engine is Veil. This one's a bit more lush, kind of has that classic 80s vibe to it. Sounds good with this diva bell. That's the raw bell. Mixes down. Let's bring it up. So we're building another space, but this one is a bit more dreamy. It's the sound I'm going for. You can really push the ambience in this one too if I drive the size up and the decay and the mix. It's a little too big for this one. I'll go full mix. Listen to the reverb tail. Right now it's at the low end, so we call that the shroud. It's shrouded. I'm going to drive it up. It's almost like you opened the door to the room that it was happening in, or you lifted the veil off.
Engine 3, rust.
All right, let's keep pushing. The records I love are the ones with grit, with guts, and I'm a sucker for that crackle distortion.
Let me drive rust into this. The first two engines were a little more normal. And from here forward, all the rest of these engines, I would say they're a bit more high concept. This one, the effects knob really changes the character of the sound depending where you are, so let me go full mix on it. With the effects knob low, it almost sounds like this broken amplifier. But let me push it up here. At the high end of this knob, you start to hear some aliasing. Kind of like a bad 90s MP3. And the tone knob, we haven't messed with it yet, but the tone knob, listen. It's really just a filter that will filter out the reverb tails. And it's only working on the reverb, so when you mix it back in with the original sound here, if I go all the way down with the tone, you don't hear it. And you can control your muddiness there or how much you want to just hide the sound. It's a quick way to just pull it up and down. And it just goes perfectly with this Oberheim.
Engine 4. Ghost.
You ever struggle with your music sounding generic no matter what you do? One way to give your sound an instant identity is to push it deeper into the darkness.
All right, I've got Ghost on a one shot, just a piano one shot and Ghost. Here's what the piano is dry. Let's push Ghost into it. So it gives you that haunted sound, like the room's a little bit off. Let me push the effects knob up. You'll hear this screaming sort of sound come in. So depending what instrument you're working with, just mess with the decay knob. And then if you want less low end, drive that tone knob up. And everything about this is built to keep you in that creative flow. You notice I just keep this thing looping. It takes me like 2 seconds to dial it in. And this little LCD in the middle really is just there to let you randomize through the presets and access those presets. We've got 50 of them built in. You can save your own. Look how simple this is. Hit save, we'll call this creepy, and hit return, and you're done. Now it shows up here under your user presets. So Ghost is a particle-based reverb. We based it on the principle known as Boyd's, which is an algorithm that mimics the flocking of birds, or you might see crowd simulations and visual effects. And as far as we know, nobody's put it in a reverb before.
Engine 5. Drift.
I know you've heard this sound before, right? That classic CS80 brass Blade Runner vibe. Even dry, it sounds nostalgic. But look what happens when we put it into BLACMAGIC's drift engine.
A whole universe just opened up. It's like now you can hear songs you want to write, or samples you could flip, or whole ideas for records that might not have existed a second ago. This decay knob really can help you feel like you're floating in this ethereal space. Very Mercury 7 feeling. When you push this effects knob, It's almost giving a little unison detune spread to those. It adds even a little more chaos to it. We just want tools that keep you in that flow. They give you quick satisfaction with minimal effort. We love how Portal or RC20, it just immediately makes your sound better without taking too much time moving around, diving through menus. So we brought most of this stuff up to the front, and so Blade Runner feeling.
Engine 6. Shine.
Now, traditionally, you think of reverbs as rooms or halls or springs or impulse responses, right? But a reverb can also put you in an angelic state that lifts your sounds up, totally transforming your original intent.
All right, let's look at Shine here, which is our shimmer reverb. Push the mix up. With the effects knob all the way up, we get the sparkly shimmer. I'm gonna pull it down. Now there's two pitch shifters, one above and one below the center note. And just pairing this with a classic synth like a Jupiter or a Juno, it really shows off the power of what our reverbs, which are more creative and conceptual, can do to take them to somewhere unique, somewhere new. All right, and here's a little trick we can do. I'm trying to get a long reverb tail to ring out here. Let's listen. Perfect. If you bounce this track to audio, we have this nice tail to work with. I'll reverse it and just throw it at the beginning of that section. It's always good to find unique ways to use familiar tools like this.
Engine 7. Glitch.
What if a reverb could be where your idea begins? And what if it could do way more than immerse your sound in a space?
All right, let's hear what Glitch can do. This one's a little different. So Glitch is basically taking that reverb and just moving it around in time and then playing it in different directions depending on these settings. I'll demonstrate it. If I take the effects knob down all the way, it's all going to be reversed. And if I go all the way forward, it's all stuttery forward chops. I'll make the size bigger. The size will be the increment of those slices. So it's letting in bigger slices. Still chopping it up though. If I go halfway, you get a mix of backwards and forwards. Then mix it back. What's fun to do on this one is, again, balance it. Let me turn these off. And then I'm just going to drag it onto a sampler. Set it to slice, solo it. Put Glitch on some vocals, baked it, chopped it, sampled it, played it over a break. Took me 2 minutes, and I was being creative the whole time. And Glitch does really well with short transient sources. And on smearier stuff like this OBE pad, the tails just become this beautiful chaos. I hope you go wild with this engine and just totally experiment. And frankly, I hope you have fun with all 7 of these engines.
All right, so that's BLACMAGIC. It's a reverb machine with 7 engines, 7 worlds to help you find and follow your muse wherever it takes you. And it's available now, and we can't wait for you to get your hands on it. Links in the description. There's a free trial too, so give it a try and see what you think. And remember, create fearlessly, curate ruthlessly. Love y'all. Peace.